Pendiami ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lakasmi.
But I wanted to see the bigger. Nice, nice, nice. So such a pleasure to inaugurate this morning.
फटाफट देखाओ.
Yes, ma'am. Look here. Thank you.
Where are you producing this by? Very good. Saya lang po sa
And the hot cellar, Lakadong.
What is this?
This is a turmeric oil. Again, aromatic oil. Yeah.
Kadai turmeric. And then the kani ka turmeric oil di dia kikalan.
Turmeric oil. This is something that actually today we are launching this product. Today is the first day we have displayed it. So there will be a lot of inquiries for this.
Ini gitu juga kids. Terkikat di balong pimenting. Very good, yeah. It's looking very nice.
Thank you.
Ini lah start. Start internal.
Em din ang motion ko.
Yang ni appreciate display macam ni
Em funding niya din.
Yes, sir.
Happy to be here. Have you gone and seen the other pavilions? You're learning from other pavilions also. Very good. Very good. Very good.